Most creators think
They need a perfect product to start.
that's a trap. The faster creators, they launch messy draft that actually make money. Waiting for perfection, you are not building, you are stuck. Launch messy, learn fast, sell sooner. That's how you win. I tried digital product. Here is 11-month update. In the first few days, I made almost $500. In the first week, over $1,000. By month 2, about 5k. Then I began averaging around 5k per month. This shows how even a simple digital product can quickly scale if you start launching and learning as you go. It proves you don't need year of experience to make significant income. Here is one more Reddit post. I made a $500 plus in my first month after launching a simple digital product. The first 13 days brought in 515 in sales, and more importantly, a ton of learning that I wish I would know earlier. Even the small wins matter. The real value is learning and understanding what works, what does not, and improving along the way. Don't wait to be perfect. I want to show you one more Reddit post because it's helped you to understand more better. It took me 3 months to make my first $100. Now I am averaging 3.4k a month. For me, it took almost 19 days to make my first $100. I almost quit. Now I am selling digital product consistently every single day. Stop chasing perfection, launch ugly. You don't need a big audience to launch a digital product. I wish I knew this earlier. A Reddit post highlight. Even without a huge audience, small organic launches can success. How to sell an online course without being an expert that emphasizes validation and selling early instead of waiting to be perfect. This reinforces the idea that action beats planning. Here is the truth. Chasing perfection is just procrastination in discuss. You spend weeks tweaking fonts, rewriting lesson 1, or design a perfect homepage while someone else sells 7-page PDF. Learn what works and scale fast. The perfect product fallacy kills momentum in 3 major ways. The only feedback that truly matters comes from a paying customer, not from your inner critic. Reddit example show creator who sold first improves second. That's how the real validation happens. Number 2, it's waste attention. The longer you wait, the more likely someone solved the exact problem you were planning to solve. Launch messy for clarity. You discover which part of your product actually help your customer. Number 3, it increase analysis paralysis. Perfection keep you rewrite the same sale page 5 times. It's that time. Sorry, 5 times. Real creators get small wins and compound them. Reddit posts also show how creator making $500 a month and 5k by month 2. It's sold by literating while selling. A 1-page PDF, a simple template, or a 3-lesson mini course is enough to test demand. You don't need a huge audience to test your first version. Just start. Please don't be like, how I do, I have a small audience, because the real case studies that I show you that destroy or complete that type of mindset. How I do. Just remember this one thing, stop chasing perfection, launch ugly. So here is a little gift for you in description. I share the PDF title Practical Step 24 Horse Mini Product Launch Challenge. It's completely free, and I have also included my script inside so you can follow everything step by step. And if you already have a small but loyal community and you are confused about what product should I create, what will actually sell, how do I package it, how do I launch it, that's lot of literally bro. So here me and my team literally handle everything for you. We will help you find your perfect product idea, validate it so you don't waste time, write the script, edit the videos, build and manage your landing page, and guide your whole launch strategy. So here is the best thing, you don't pay upfront, we take revenue share. So we only win when you win. If that sounds like something you want help with, so email me now. Stay tuned. Last night, Google blocked my email. Just like that, everything disappeared. All the client conversation, all the creator we convinced, 15 days of hard work, day and night, gone in a second. And for the moment, I'm completely blank, my team completely silent. I just sat there in shock. Then I realized something. Life does not test you with a small problem. It tests you with the exact thing that breaks you. That's the moment you choose. Either you say, why me? Or say, try me. Email can disappear, account can get blocked, but your vision, your hunger, your ambitions, nobody can block that. Moral of the story, if you have a big dream, big dream, don't stop when the door closes. Thank you.